Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Connecting your domain, which is registered with Namecheap, over to your new hosting on Hostinger. Let's jump right into the process. If we check the current DNS propagation status using a tool like Look My DNS, you can see the name servers are pointing to Namecheap's default parking. We have the domain eyewearstore.shop. You can see here on the Namecheap account. Now let's head over to our Hostinger account. Navigate to your main dashboard. On the Hostinger dashboard, look for the Websites section. Since we're setting up a new site, we'll see options for new hosting. We're going to click on Continue Setup for our business web hosting. The Setup Wizard asks, do you want to create or migrate a website? We'll choose Create a Website, then click Next. Hostinger asks, how do you want to build your website? We're going to choose WordPress for a fully customizable and robust website. Click on the WordPress option and then hit Next. You'll be prompted to create login details for your WordPress account. Fill in your preferred admin email and a strong password that meets all the criteria, and then click Next. Next, it asks how you'd like to build. For the cleanest start, let's select the option to Create Blank Site, which is located near the bottom, and click Next. Now for the critical step, choosing the domain. Select the option that says you have a free domain available and type in your domain name, eyewearstore.shop. Hostinger recognizes that the domain is registered with another provider and gives you a clear warning to verify ownership by connecting it to your site. Click Next. The next step is to choose your server location. This is important for website speed. You'll want to choose a location closest to your main audience. The default is set to United States, but as your target audience is in a region like Bangladesh, you should select a closer server. The video demonstrates changing it from United States, Massachusetts, to a server in Malaysia. Click Next. Hostinger is now installing WordPress. Preparing your account and adding your domain. This process takes a few minutes. Wait for the progress bars to complete. Wrapping things up, ready to go. Once complete, you land on the Hostinger dashboard. Notice the prominent warning, domain isn't connected to your website. To fix this, click on Manage right next to the domain status. This takes you to the Connect Domain page, which lists the exact name server records you need. ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. Copy the first name server by clicking the copy icon. Now, quickly switch over to your Namecheap account tab. Go to your domain list, click Manage for the eyewearstore.shop domain, and scroll down to the name servers section. The name servers are currently set to custom DNS. Delete the existing entries, paste the Hostinger name server you copied, go back to Hostinger, and once you have confirmed you changed the name servers, tick the checkbox and click Finish. Hostinger will let you know that if you changed your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon. It can take up to 24 hours. To verify the change, you can return to Look My DNS. Enter your domain, eyewearstore.shop, and click Find. You can see that DNS is already propagating for some locations, showing the new Hostinger name servers, ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. This means the change is taking effect. Back on the Hostinger dashboard, the message "Domain isn't connected" is still there, but you can see that the domain and hosting status are both active. This is usually just a propagation delay, but we can try to force a check by clicking Check Guide again. Follow the steps again, since we already did them, check the box, and click Finish. The notification confirms the DNS change is being monitored. Switch back to Look My DNS and refresh the page. After a few refreshes, you should see more locations showing the green check marks with the Hostinger name servers. The propagation is working. Back to the Hostinger dashboard, the next morning or after the 24 hours have passed, you can now log into your WordPress admin. Click WordPress admin on the dashboard. This redirects you to your brand new WordPress dashboard. Now, let's address the final issue we see, a parent theme is missing error when we try to visit the site. This is common when a child theme, like Woodmart Child, is installed, but the main parent theme, Woodmart, is not installed. Navigate to Appearance, then Themes. You can see the Woodmart Child theme is active, but the main Woodmart theme is shown as a broken theme below. To fix it, you need to install and activate the original Woodmart theme. Click on the Woodmart theme and select Live Preview. This takes you to the Woodmart Setup Wizard. Click Let's Start to begin. The Woodmart welcome page confirms you need to install core plugins. Click the Install Plugin button at the top. On the Plugins tab, click Install for Woodmart Core, WooCommerce, and any other required plugins for your shop, like Mailchimp and Safe SVG. Once the core plugins are installed, the error should be resolved, and you are ready to build your online success.